Hey everyone, today we are going to try the whole truth whey protein unflavored one. So let's check it out. This one is their 1 kg pack. MRP is 2675 and we got it from Amazon with 5% discount. You won't get much discount on this product and it has 1 year of shelf life. It comes in a Ziploc pack and yes, it's 100% vegetarian. Okay, inside the pack you get this measuring scoop and the powder is very fine, no clumps form at all, and it contains 99.4% whey protein concentrate, and there are no artificial flavors, sweetener or thickness, and one serving is 35 gram. One scoop full gives you 26.5 gram of protein, 3.2 gram of carb, 0 added sugar and only 1.7 gram of fat. To prepare it, add 1 scoop of whey protein to 200 ml of cold water or cold milk. Now shake it for 30 seconds and it mixes perfectly and it's ready. Since it is unflavored, there is no sweetness. It tastes something like plain milk, completely plain and completely natural, no metallic aftertaste. And it's very light on the gut, no bloating, gas or heavy feeling. Digestion is really good and the recommended daily serving is 1 to 2 scoop only, not more than that. And my suggestion is you can mix it with your shakes or smoothie because it's so plain, it has no taste of its own. Overall, it's a good protein, feels light on stomach, mixes well and no complaint. I would definitely recommend it. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.